Ever wondered if you can still grow taller? While genetics play a big role, there's more you can control than you think. In this video, we'll cover 3 key factors: exercise, nutrition, and recovery that can help you reach your maximum height potential. Let's dive in. First up, exercise. Certain activities stimulate growth plates and improve posture, which can add visible height. Stretching exercises like cobra stretch, hanging from a bar, and cat-cow stretches help decompress the spine. Sports like swimming, basketball, and cycling also promote healthy bone and muscle development. Aim for at least 30 minutes of activity daily, focusing on stretching and posture-correcting movements. Next, let's talk nutrition. Because your body needs the right fuel to grow, protein is essential for building bone and muscle tissue, so include eggs, chicken, fish, and legumes in your diet. Calcium and vitamin D are crucial for bone strength. Think dairy, leafy greens, and sunlight exposure. Zinc and magnesium also play a role in growth hormone production. A balanced diet isn't just about height, it sets the foundation for overall health. Finally, recovery, the phase where actual growth happens. Growth hormone is released mostly during deep sleep, so aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Avoid screens before bed and try to maintain a consistent sleep schedule. Rest days are just as important as workout days. They allow your muscles and bones to repair and grow stronger. So there you have it: exercise, nutrition, and recovery, the 3 pillars for supporting healthy growth. Consistency is key. Try incorporating these habits into your daily routine and watch the difference over time.